Want to save hundreds of dollars each month without sacrificing comfort? Stick around for the next few minutes, and I'm going to show you 18 simple but genius money-saving hacks that you can start using today to make your home more budget-friendly. You won't believe how easy some of these are. Hey there! If you're tired of constantly seeing your money slip through your fingers, you're in the right place. Today, we've got 18 incredible money-saving hacks that will help you reduce household expenses and live smarter. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or someone just looking to stretch your budget, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this, you'll have some super practical tricks up your sleeve. Let's get started. Switch to energy-efficient light bulbs. The first tip is as simple as switching your regular bulbs to energy-efficient LEDs. They use way less energy and last up to 25 times longer than regular bulbs. This one change can lower your electric bill by as much as 80%. To unplug devices when not in use. Did you know that your electronics and appliances continue to use energy even when they're off? This is called phantom energy. Unplugging devices like your phone charger, TV, or toaster when you're not using them can save you a lot on your energy bill. 3. Use cold water for laundry. Washing clothes in hot water might seem like the best option, but it's a huge energy drain. By switching to cold water, you not only save energy, but also preserve the colors and fabric of your clothes. It's a win-win. 4. Reuse plastic bags. Instead of buying new grocery bags, reuse the ones you already have. Keep a stash in your car for easy access. If you don't want to store them, take a step further and switch to reusable cloth bags. 5. DIY cleaning products. Store-bought cleaners can be pricey, and some of them have harsh chemicals, but you can make your own using basic ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Not only are they much cheaper, but they work just as well and sometimes even better. 6. Buy generic brands. When shopping, don't automatically reach for the name brand products. Many times, store brands or generics offer the same quality at a fraction of the price. This goes for everything from food to medicine. 7. Turn off the heat while you sleep at night. Wear warm pajamas or use thicker blankets to stay cozy. You don't need the heat cranked up high while you're asleep. This simple change can save a lot over time. 8. Make your own snacks. Instead of buying pricey pre-packaged snacks, consider making your own. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also healthier. You can prepare things like granola bars, popcorn, or even dried fruit at home. 9. Grow your own herbs. Herbs are super expensive at the store, and they wilt quickly. Grow your own in small pots on your windowsill. Not only does it save you money, but it adds a fresh touch to your cooking. 10. Freeze leftovers. Instead of throwing away leftovers, freeze them for future meals. Not only will this reduce waste, but it'll also save you time and money when you don't feel like cooking. 11. Use a programmable thermostat. Invest in a programmable thermostat. It automatically adjusts the temperature when you're not home, saving you money by preventing heating or cooling your home unnecessarily. 12. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Take a hard look at your subscriptions, whether it's for streaming services, magazines, or apps, and cancel the ones you don't use regularly. Those small monthly payments add up quickly. 13. Shop during sales and clearance. Timing your purchases during sales seasons or when items go on clearance can save you so much. You'll find great deals if you plan ahead and don't wait until the last minute to buy. 14. Limit takeout. While it's tempting to grab takeout after a long day, it adds up quickly. Try meal prepping for the week or cooking in batches, so you have meals ready to go, saving both money and time. 15. Fix things yourself. Rather than hiring someone to fix small issues around the house, try to do it yourself with online tutorials. You can save big on repair costs, and you'll be surprised how easy some of these repairs are. 16. Install low-flow showerheads. A low-flow showerhead reduces the amount of water you use while showering, helping to lower your water bill. It's an easy, low-cost fix that pays off quickly. 17. Make a grocery list before heading to the store Always make a grocery list and stick to it. It helps you avoid impulse purchases and ensures you're only buying what you need. 18. Use cashback apps. Take advantage of cashback apps like Rakuten or Ribota. These apps give you money back on purchases you're already making, and it's a simple way to save on everyday items. And there you have it, 18 household tricks that will save you money and help you live more efficiently. These tips are easy to implement, and you'll start seeing the savings almost immediately. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget-friendly tips. Stay frugal and happy saving.